The history of mathematics. What truths has time revealed? What is mathematics, and when did it all begin? Mathematics studies patterns and relationships based on counting, measuring, and describing geometric forms developed from these foundational activities. The history of mathematics may be traced back to Mesopotamia and Egypt, when primitive counting systems were employed to keep track of trade and commerce. These counting systems developed into more complicated mathematical systems with fundamental algebraic equations and geometric structures throughout time. Over its history, it's been more idealized and abstracted as it has dealt with logical reasoning and quantitative computation. Ancient mathematicians such as Pythagoras and Euclid developed theorems and formulae that are being studied today. Mathematics has played an increasingly important role in the quantitative fields of the biological sciences in recent decades, continuing a tradition that dates back to the 17th century. In addition, mathematics is a significant element of human civilization, as it has played an essential part in human history. So far, mathematics history is a rich and intriguing topic that has revealed many facts about our world. According to history, the 19th century birthed many of the most influential abstract mathematical theories in use today, as so much progress was made in mathematics during this period. Several general characteristics do, however, stand out. Throughout time, a distinct professional border has developed between mathematics and the physical sciences, which coincided with the rise of mathematics as a profession. The emergence of new mathematical theories has also been proven by the history of mathematics to be dependent on intuition and inventiveness. Several of history's finest mathematicians were noted for their creativity and capacity for creative problem solving. One such as Henri Poincaré, 1854 to 1912, the French mathematician well known for his intuitive approach to mathematics, which enabled him to produce groundbreaking discoveries in topology. The idea that mathematics is a continuous process of discovery and refinement is the most significant truth conveyed by the history of mathematics. New mathematical concepts are continually invented while existing theories are continuously revised. Calculus, for example, was developed in the 17th century by Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz. Nevertheless, it has been enlarged and polished by successive generations of mathematicians. The term mathematical sciences needs a definite meaning. In the 1990 study widely known as the David II Report, after the head of the drafting committee, Edward E. David, used this definition: the mathematical sciences comprise fundamental and applied mathematics, as well as statistics and operations research, and extend to highly mathematical aspects of other disciplines, such as theoretical computer science. Several academic sub-disciplines, such as biology, ecology, engineering, and economics, meld effortlessly with the mathematical sciences. Time has revealed that mathematics can no longer depend on its scientific relevance for its validity. It has become much more rigorous due to this split. It was also allowed to grow in ways unrelated to practical use. Several seemingly abstract ideas have startling practical applications, and the emphasis on rigorous analysis has produced a new way of thinking about mathematics and logic. Moreover, the more conceptual techniques that were all the rage at the time solved many unanswered difficulties in mathematics. The significance of teamwork and communication is another fact shown in mathematics history. Several of the most important mathematical discoveries have resulted from cooperation among mathematicians from various cultures and backgrounds. For example, the notion of negative numbers was established in China and India before being embraced by Western mathematicians, although the first zero was recorded in Mesopotamia circa 3 BC. The Mayans independently devised it in 4 AD. Later, around the middle of the 5th century, it was developed in India, spread to Cambodia at the end of the 7th century, and then to China and the Islamic countries at the end of the 8th century. Subsequently, the number 0 arrived in Western Europe around the 12th century. The universality of mathematics is one of the most critical facts that time has revealed. Language boundaries are not relevant in mathematics since it's universal. No matter where in the globe they are applied, the principles of mathematics remain constant. Mathematical formula and equations may explain anything from planet motion to subatomic particle behavior. Mathematics will undoubtedly remain paramount in our search for knowledge and understanding. Do you agree with us on this? Let us know in the comments section below. Stay tuned to our channel and turn on post notifications for new updates.